today's trading recap. So I did not record it again, so I just talk now about today's trading recap and today's price section. So as you can see, I did not take a trade today. I do not see a reason to take a trade today. So let's talk about what was in my mind when we had when we had the New York session. So here I was bearish for the day. Here we had this move up, we had this sweep here, then gone lower, and in this leg down we had this big 1 hour bearish fair value gap. We also had this 4 hour bearish fair value gap, so I was bearish for the day. Here we had this sweep, but for me it was not a valid sweep. To be a valid sweep, I would like to see a candle closure closing above this wick, and we close way below. So for me it was not a valid sweep, and I did not saw this as a liquidity grab. I saw this as just a leg down. Then I would expect a move higher, and then here would react somewhere, and then would continue going lower. Here I also had this level in my mind. We had this 1 hour fair value gap with these lows, so it was also a very important level here. We did not add a sweep here and did not mitigate the 1 hour fair value gap. So for me, we would just go a bit higher and then would continue going lower. So I was bearish for the day, and that was what I had in my mind. We had this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. We had this high before the market open. So I marked all these levels, and at the market open I expected a move here, mitigate the 15-minute fair value gap, sweep here, and then a leg down, but the price did not reacted in a way that I liked. Here we had the sweep, gone a bit lower, but was just to fill some orders. Here we had this break of structure. Here I was looking for shorts, but then we did not add any candle closure below this level, the high, and I wanted a candle closure below here to validate my plan and to start looking for shorts, and we did not add any of that. So we had this bearish fair value gap. I thought that it would get respected, so here it was a very good place to take shorts, but we did not add a candle closure below the high, so I did not thought about taking a short. Then the price just gone higher, as you can see, just white candles higher, and then here we had this sweep, but then gone just a bit lower. Here I was not interested. I was not interested here. I was interested here, but then the price just continued going higher. Did not did what I wanted, so I just did not execute it. For me here, it was not interesting for me to take shorts. We do not have any fair value gap here that got mitigated. Just here got respected, but again I was not interested here. I was here, so I was bearish for the day, but I did not saw a reason to take shorts. So it is what it is. I'll end the day without a trade. I really thought that without this mitigation here, and after seeing that we had a candle closure even below this fair value gap and below these important lows, we had a candle closure like this. I thought that we would just go a bit higher and then would go lower again, and here I would expect a bullish reaction and then continuation higher. So my bias for today was wrong, but I did not took any trade. I do not saw a reason. So it was a decent day for me. I followed my strategy. I was patient. I waited for my time, but my time did not arrive. So no trades for the day. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. And tomorrow I'll be back for another trading weekend.